is Epic Guy with the Minecraft video, so let's go to it. So we're at my world, it's gonna be yours, my YouTube series, and apparently it froze. So yeah, basically froze. And just way back, yeah. This is gonna be our world right here. So, yeah. This is my house. Well, not my house, I stole it from a villager. Yeah, I just woke up and I just started doing this, so yeah, my voice sounds weird, but yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta go get bed. Where are they? Well, I don't see any sheep. Usually I see a lot in Xbox, but I'm playing PE, so it's different. Okay, I think I'm ready. I have wood with me. Iron. Yeah, easy thing to find in this game. Besides dirt and other stuff on land. Hey villager, fell off. I'll help you. You want a burger? Eat one. Okay, so let's see. I can't find anything apparently. What the heck? Oh, okay. What is this? Like this, Chucky girl. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Okay, I think it's time to get out. Or if we find another cave, let's go down that one because this one's not apparently a cave. So, bravo. Bravo. Brava. Okay. So, yeah. Just go back to the OG crib. Oh, what the? Never mind, I'll just leave. I'll find this back, it's so easy. Come on, love. She's so beautiful. And I see it every day. When I see, what the hell? Sheep. There's not a thing that I would change because they are woolly, just the way you are. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Her hair, the smile up. Oh my god, I have wool back home. Not home, but my OG crib. My OG border. Yeah. In my other video, I lost that. My other video, when I didn't know how to record. on Minecraft. Yeah, I didn't do it, but so I'm doing it now. There's not anything that I would change because she's amazing, just the way you are. Her hair, her smile loves the face of tomorrow. Me here, I need to go out tomorrow. It's so beautiful, and I see it most of the time. Because the face, cause amazing, and just the way. When I see your face, you're usually in a wall, so I can't see it because you're amazing. But once I find diamond, you suck. I just usually so you could break all your armor. All the swords and pickaxes I made. You won't need at all. When I see a bite. No, it's fine. Okay, so we back. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna pause the video right here. I'm gonna go take my shower. So, bye bye.